not an allegation. In fact, that is the very tragic rumor, and it is a blatant fake news. It was going around for a few hours yesterday in an evening, and I was prompted by my good friends. I thought it was a mere joke. Then it turns out to be serious, and it went on viral on social media, particularly on Facebook and WhatsApp and other forms of social media. Then I have given my statement yesterday, both, and posted it also on Facebook and Twitter, stating that I am neither a counsel nor the advocate, or nor in any way related or connected with that case of the alleged Manipur audio tape, leaked tape case in the Supreme Court. There was a matter yesterday on the Supreme Court, and I was there on VC link like many other friends of ours, because once Dr. Chandrachud became the Chief Justice, and because of COVID pandemic, we all have digitally connected courts now, be it Supreme Court or High Courts or any district court. So anybody, and court is an open court. Anybody can go and watch there physically. Anybody can go and sit in the courtroom. Anybody can see it online. So I don't know how come that there is a rumor going around that I am the petitioner. I am the petitioner's counsel, and that matter turned very serious, because I believe that there was a design by the BJP and its cohorts to suddenly make an attempt to make it go viral, and that had a potential to incite violence and mob, and that prompted me to give my statement on social media, after which I hold a press conference yesterday in Congress Bhavan by around 7:30 p.m. at night, and I already have expressed them, saying that these matter has to be taken very seriously, because Manipur is right now under the President's rules. I have gone to Raj Bhavan after the press conference. I have gone to Chief Secretary's residence and the Director General's of Police office and given my urgent letter urging them to provide my life and properties, and also requested them to protect my name from getting it connected with this unconnected case and maligning my name, and also urged them to immediately stop this type of rumor and fake news in this hour of turmoil, which is happening in the last almost 2 years in our own state. And yesterday I have demanded a reply from the BJP Manipur Pradesh President that why they have engineered such rumor and fake news against me and my party, Congress Party. So far there is no reply.
So now you are alleging that BJP Manipur is
conspiring. I am not allegation. I am not allegation, because there are many people around, and many of them, because I have given them 12 hours. Within 12 hours, I have requested them, I have given my public appeal that whosoever who has posted it, please delete it. And if you are a social media admins, whether be it a Facebook or WhatsApp group, kindly delete it, because that it is your responsibility. There are already Supreme Court judgment and the laws is settled on that. Because you being an admins of any WhatsApp or social media or Facebook group or Facebook pages, you are responsible for it. Otherwise, if you as an individual post any such rumor or fake news, then you ought to be proceeded legally as per law. But I have given my appeal, and within an hour or so, many almost as posts have been deleted. But the idea is, imagine if I did not hold a press conference by 7:30 p.m. If I did not give my statement before my press conference, what will happen? There will be a sudden mob, there will be a sudden violence, and that will lead to catastrophe. And these cannot bring normalcy. These has instilled fear in the minds of our people, and this is happening right under the nose of the governor. So I have urged, and I have publicly stated that today I am writing to the President of India, to the Prime Minister of India, to the Union Home Minister, and also I'll be writing a separate letter to the Honorable Chief Justice of India of the Supreme Court of India, because these matters have to be taken seriously in the light of the turmoil happening. We want peace. We want also protection. We want life with liberty. We want life with dignity. And in this scenario, if such rumor and fake news keeps on increasing, there could be anything. There could be violence. There could be riots in the state.
So now, how serious is such kind of threat to you and for your family?
Imagine if I did not give a statement yesterday on time, that too within a span of two hours, I believe, or maybe slightly lesser than that or more than that. Then after that was not enough. I had to go and have a press conference by 7:30 p.m. And imagine if I did not do it, because what happens is truth triumphs. There is a saying, Satyameva Jayate, truth triumphs. But in our state, in this case, in today's scenario, when the state authorities have not acted, because rumor and fake news have to be curbed. In a civilized society, in a democratic liberal society, in a society where there is a rule of law, in a society like ours, in our country which is bound by the Constitution of India, there cannot be any space for rumor and fake news. And there needs to have a policy, and there needs to have a deterrence. The state has to act upon it. That's why I have given a written letter to the governor by night. At night I went to Raj Bhavan. At night I went to Chief Secretary's residence. At night I went to DGP's office. And also personally have sent my letter to them on their personal WhatsApp number. I have sent the same thing to the Secretary to Governor on his personal WhatsApp number. I have also requested for an appointment with the Governor, but then so far there has been no reply. But I am waiting for the response from the Governor, from the Chief Secretary and from the DGP to my letter. Of course, the DGP has acted on it, but I am waiting for an appointment with the Honorable Governor, because this I take it very seriously, and I am not going to take it lightly, because it could happen to anyone in the state. We somehow have to curb these type of fake news and these type of rumor. Any rumor, be it of anything, any fake news have to be curbed, because these rumor, these fake news have the potential to incite, to engineer violence, more violence. And once the mob is done, once the violence is done, then what?